Hey guys, this is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making chocolate chip banana bread. It is so moist and soft and it is full of banana and chocolate flavor. Quick and easy to make and it is very delicious. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Into my mixing bowl, I'm going to be adding in around 1 and 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and half a teaspoon of clove powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to sift this all into the mixing bowl and then mix it up thoroughly with the help of the whisk till it is thoroughly combined. And then I'm going to set this aside. So here I've got around 3 ripe bananas. The more riper the bananas, the more flavor it will give to your banana bread. So I'm going to peel up these bananas and then with the help of the fork I'm going to mash these bananas till it becomes into a gooey pudding consistency. So now this is done and I'm going to set this aside. And now I'm going to move on to my wet ingredients. I've got around 113 grams of butter which I'm going to melt over the medium flame. I'm going to melt it till I see the brown bits forming at the bottom of the pan, and then I'm going to take it off the flame once it gets toasty brown color. I'm going to allow this to cool for 10 minutes before I add it into my wet ingredients. My brown butter has cooled by now, so I'm going to pour it into my mixing bowl, add in around 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, and I'm going to mix it up with the help of the whisk till my sugars are dissolved and it is thoroughly combined and smooth. So now I'm going to be adding in around 2 teaspoons of Greek yogurt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Adding in yogurt to my banana bread will give it extra moisture and tang. So now I'm going to be adding in 2 large eggs, adding one at a time and mixing in between each addition. So now I'm adding the second egg and I will mix it up till it is combined with this batter. So now I'm going to be pouring in those mashed bananas into this batter and I'm going to mix it in till the bananas are combined with this mixture. So now I'm going to be adding in the flour mixture into this batter and I'm going to mix it up thoroughly till it is combined and there are no dry sticks of flour remaining. So now I'm going to be adding in around half a cup of chopped toasted walnuts and I'm going to mix it till it is combined, and then I'm going to be adding in around 1.5 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips to this. I'm going to reserve some chocolate chips for the later use which I will be using for topping my banana bread. I'm going to mix it till the chocolate chips are combined with the batter. So finally the banana bread batter is ready and I've got a 9-inch baking tin which I have greased and lined with parchment paper. So I'm going to pour this batter into my tin. I'm going to level this up a bit with the help of my offset spatula, as it is going to get leveled up on its own once it gets into the oven. So finally I'm going to top it with the remaining chocolate chips which will make it look pretty. I'm going to generously sprinkle the chocolate chips above my banana bread so that it gets nice and even coverage. So now this is going to go into the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes or until the toothpick inserted at the center of the bread comes out clean. So my banana bread is ready. I'm going to allow it to cool for some time before I unmold it. Let it totally cool before you cut it. Just look at this banana bread. It looks so moist and so delicious.